Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how to create this CSS rule definition for your styles. So this box is often used in the old version to define the CSS styles. At the moment, I think it's sort of obsolete. It's only available when you insert a div and create a new class. So I can bring it up here, but you can't open it back up from the class in the coding. So what it's changed, so it's available in the CSS window on the right here. All the settings are in this properties area. So let's say if I have my my text here, and I'll create a class here. Okay, so let's close this off, and I'll insert the class into my P code. Okay, so we'll save that, and when you click on your class styles, if you click here, all the settings are here. So you got your width for your box, you got your height, you can set your line width, you can set your margin here, you can enter. It's all in this property box here. When the first time you use it, you make sure you click on the class, click on the selector here, and you gotta click this box here, show the whole set, to see all the settings. And in here you can set the width and all your other settings here. So if I go 50 px, set the width and set the height. You can set the text style here, set the text color here. So it's all converted, it's all moved to here. You can set the background as well. So let's pick background color. So the definition for style is now all in this window here. So you're gonna just adjust the windows, remove what you don't need. We have media here, which allows us to set different style for different screen size for mobile and desktop. So there you go, that's basically it, how you set the style settings in Dreamweaver CC. Have a great day.